Welcome. Welcome to the National's first unbiased and transparent result oriented online Abacus competition. We have been conducting this kind of competitions and since from 15 and it's 14th attempt. In this year, the competition will be conducted on 26th, 27th and 28th of the January 2024. This competition is really genuine, transparent and unbiased to each and every child who participates regardless of their company or their teacher. Who can participate? Each and every child, whether it is directly participate through the competition or by the teachers, the respective teachers and the branches and company too. Entire competition is divided into 6 groups called Group A, B, C, D, E, and F. Group A is reserved, and from Group B to Group F, all are open. Any child can participate in any group except A, that is the conditional. The child can participate maximum 3 groups at a time, not more than that. Participating, giving chance to participation in more than a group is mere to give chance to the student to win in the ranks, get the ranks in either of the group. Very simple exam formula, paper format is there. I'm just going to show you. For example, just refreshing. This is the dashboard. Just giving you the demo logins idea. You can write the captcha, capital or small, both are accepted. Once you headed to the dashboard, you have to click on the exam, the mock test. You can start the exam, test with Abacus. Here, the time is stipulated. Within this time, you have to solve these 100 questions, and you can solve it with or without Abacus. There is not compulsion. So it is showing that with Abacus, it is not compulsion. Once you write the answers, you have to submit it. It is not a MCQ based. That's why I'm just talk to you. It is very simple paper format. We'll get the results after completion of the competition paper. You can participate by choosing 1, 2, or 3 groups. If you choose one group, you have to pay 600. For 2 groups, 1100, and for 3 groups, 1500 will be there. Last date for the enrollment is 15th November. Sorry, 15th November will be the starting date, right? But as early as possible, if you enroll soon, you will have the chance to practice more. After enrollment, we give you the user ID and password, the individual user and password. You can go with that. Here are the few sample paper for each group. You can click on the button and get the downloads. Once you enroll, you will be asked for the date of birth and the group you choose. According to that, you will be provided the user ID and password. You can have a n number of paper practice. There is no limit for the day. No extra charge, no extra cost for the extra practice. You can start mock test. You can get the results. You can see the paper format. Final exam will be conducted on the same ground. After that, the prizes will be distribution once the rank is declared. Remember, the no multiple choice question is there. Truly online, computer or mobile browser based. It is time based and negative marking also there. You can scroll down and read each and every content. Just I'm giving them map of idea. Last date for enrollment is 17th January 2024. Rank will be declared by the 31st of January. Examination will be conducted in 3 days. You will be provided a day, morning 9 to evening 9. The exam will be conducted. All the interested students can enroll by filling this form, right? Once you filled up, you will get the messages, emails regarding that. And the institutions or the teachers who would like to participate in this competition can click over here, fill up your full name, your Abacus center name, email ID, and WhatsApp number. A coordinator will call you in this regard. I hope this information will be helpful. And as soon as if you we can say the let you enroll, let you practice. Enroll soon. Bye.